Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the language on the music player application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the last option, the settings. Here you can find the general section and go to the last option, the language. And here you can select a different language and just select one and click to the circle icon. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.